The silent revenue leak killing small plumbing companies. When most plumbers think about leaks, they think about pipes, valves, fittings, or water heaters. But there is another leak hurting a lot of plumbing businesses, and it is far more expensive than most owners realize. It is the silent revenue leak caused by missed phone calls. This is the kind of problem that does not make noise inside your business. It does not show up like a truck repair bill or a payroll issue. It is quieter than that. It shows up as the customer who never got booked, the emergency call that went to a competitor, the opportunity that disappeared before you even knew it was there. Missed calls is missed cash. Small plumbing companies feel this problem especially hard. Why? Because the owner is often doing everything: answering calls, running estimates, doing jobs, driving between locations, ordering parts, managing the team, trying to keep the schedule full. That means the phone is often answered by someone already overloaded or by nobody at all. So the business keeps working hard, but money keeps slipping away. Missed calls is missed cash. If you're getting 15 to 25 calls a day and missing a chunk of them, that is not a little issue. That is a silent drain on growth. It affects cash flow. It affects hiring. It affects stability. It affects how much confidence you have in the business. And the worst part is many companies or small companies react by thinking they need more leads, when the real problem is they are not protecting the leads they already have. That is why missed calls are not just a communication issue. They are a profit issue. If you want to stop the leak, start by treating inbound calls like the revenue events they are. Because every time the phone rings, that is a potential customer trying to hand you money. And every time that goes unanswered, your business loses more than a conversation. It loses momentum. Missed calls is missed cash. So before you throw more money into ads, ask yourself a better question. How much money is your current phone process already costing you? For a lot of small plumbing companies, that answer is uncomfortable, but it is also where the fix begins. So if you need assistance catching the missed calls, comment below, help me, and I'll send you the free training.